Almost forgot the cracked black pepper, people. Take a little egg and dip it in there. Stop being bougie and put you some egg in your grits. Salutations, chefs. We in the kitchen again. Okay, people, you know that very special day coming up. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Valentine's Day. Everybody want to do something special for their boo or their bae or their husband or their wife on Valentine's Day. Come on. I got something very special to cook for them. You're going to want to hang around and see this. Okay, so let's get started. This is the ingredients you're going to need to make eggs Benedict. You need Thomas English muffins, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. I know this recipe calls for bacon, but I use turkey sausage. And for your seasonings, we have sea salt and cracked black pepper. Okay, next you want to get a medium pot. You want to add 2 cups of water, and I have 2 mini prep bowls. And that's how we're going to poach our eggs. Okay, so you want to add your eggs very easily, people. Okay. And you're going to poach those eggs in this boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Cracked black pepper. And add a lid for it to steam. Okay, so while your eggs cook, you want to prep your English muffin. All you want to do is just cut it in half, people. Like so. 1 English muffin going down. Let me check on my eggs real quick. Oh, look at that. Wonderful. Okay, so the muffin should be ready. Wonderful. Okay, so once your eggs are ready, you want to let those bad boys cool for probably 10, maybe even 15 minutes. It's because they're hot, and you want to be able to remove them from this hot pot. Just be very careful how you pull them out. I got this oven mitt. Alright, just like that. Next step is just to go around your egg with a fork. And you want to put it on a paper towel. You know, just kind of let it drain a little bit. That's all. Just to remove some of the moisture. And there you have it. 2 perfectly poached eggs. Okay, you want to flip those over after about 3 minutes. Cook 3 minutes on each side. Look at that. Okay, so let's make this hollandaise sauce. We're going to use that same medium pot. We're using the steam from this pot because we don't want this hollandaise sauce to get too hot. Okay, so you add the egg yolks, 2 egg yolks. Whisk that around a little bit. You don't want your heat to be too high because you don't want the eggs to cook completely. So you add your lemon juice. And you need a tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. Slowly add your melted butter. want to make sure this is creamy. Okay, people, it's time to plate. Add the sausage, eggs. Look at those eggs. They're so perfect. Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce. I like mine thick and creamy. How you like yours? A bowl of grits. Grapes. And apple juice. And there you have it. Okay, people, I got a very special breakfast right here. Valentine's Day breakfast, if you want to call it that. You know what I'm saying? We got some eggs Benedict. I poached the eggs. I didn't do it the traditional way. Some people put the eggs right into the water. I wanted mine in some kind of form. And I don't like a whole lot of hollandaise sauce. As you can see, I only got a very little bit. Ha! Got those grapes, people. Who don't like the grapes? Got some hominy grits. Chabella. Apple juice. Enough of this yapping. Let's get into this food. Can't wait. Take a look at that. Wait a minute. It's real good. People, you know this is good. I ain't gotta tell you that. There's something special about eggs Benedict. I ain't figured it out yet. Alright, let's try some of these grits. Grits are nice and creamy. Look at that. Look at that steam coming from it. I'm always dropping something. Wait a minute. Yo. Sometimes I like to put a little egg in there with mine. Do y'all do that too? Just get a little bit of egg in there with it, like that. Take a little egg and dip it in there. Stop being bougie and put you some egg in your grits. It's perfect. Just dip it in there. Just like that. I ain't playing, people. I ain't playing. Apple juice is good for the soul. You know they say apple a day keep the doctor away. You get you some apple juice, it'll keep the doctor away. Ha ha! Watch out for that. And as always, people, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below so we know what you're thinking, and share this video with your friends so they can enjoy some of this good food too.